friends and family, I have exciting news for you. I just want to share this product. They're called Well Life. They're selling house essentials. So for the mommies, wise mommies out there, this is a very nice opportunity for you to earn at the comforts of your home. Let me tell you why. Some who know me personally ask me, nanong nag-business na kuno ko karon about mga products. It's because of this one. Meet their toilet bowl cleaner, who got me hooked into joining Well Life because I've searched and used a lot of bathroom cleaners all my life, and most of them makuyapan gigo hapit tungod sa kaisog sa chemicals. But this one, as you can see, they stated that it has no strong scent, and truly I've tried it. It has no pungent smell, and it easily removes stuff stains. So mo gyud ang nakapahook nako ani nga product. Let me introduce you to their Well Protect soap, na lifesaver gyud sa akong family because my husband and my kids have sensitive skin, and we've tried a lot of products already, but dili gid sila nihiyang. It doesn't dry your skin. It's very moisturizing, and not to mention, they're very affordable. For the fur parents out there, this is very useful for you, especially if manihi or malibang inyong mga fur babies sa inyong balay. You can easily use this to disinfect the area, leaving a very sweet citrus smell. And it's so affordable also. Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part. Okay, now, I've grown up in a household nga among gamit good is the Mosicat brand, which I won't mention. And it costs about 300 plus ang 1 liter nila sa grocery store. You can check it if you like. But this one does the job, and ang price difference nila is about 200 plus. Imagine, you can buy the dishwashing liquid with the same quality, but in an affordable price. Nice food kaayo ilahang Fabricon and detergent powder. Ako na gining na-try tanan nilang product. It cleans so well. And this one smells like a baby. Kinsa may di ganahan smell like a baby, right? So the reason why I joined the Well Life family is not only because their products are affordable, but also I love the quality of their products. It does the job, same as the ones that we buy sa grocery. And the siya price difference for the wise moms out there. You know, sige matag-compare no sa depending sa mall asa ta mag-grocery, which is much cheaper and has the same quality. So when you buy these products, for example, mahutan ko toilet bowl cleaner and I buy their products, I earn rewards. Not unlike if mag-grocery lang ko and then hindi ko man ako gamit, like wala gid siya in return. But with Well Life, you use their products, and if you buy their products, if you have a repeat order, you get rewards that is convertible to rice and mga sample kits. You can get free products and also watches, phone, and even laptop. And some rewards are convertible into cash also with the rewards program. You can put it into your SSS or your PhilHealth, and so many more incentives and rewards when you use their products. Imagine those privileges. So I told myself, dapat wais na kita karon nga time. So magamit na sa product, which is I know every household use all of these products, the disinfectants, the dishwashing liquid, so you get the quality and also earn at the same time. You can sell them, you can share it with your family and friends. So it's a really exciting venture, and I hope you will consider also to join the Well Life family. I'm a PM away for those who are interested. Thank you and God bless.